Waterpik cordless water flossers run on rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, similar to what you find in smartphones and laptops. Newer models are gradually shifting toward USB-C charging for wider compatibility, while many current units still use magnetic or proprietary charging bases for a secure connection. For example, the Waterpik cordless advanced 2WP580 delivers up to 4 weeks of typical use on a single full charge. When setting up your device for the first time, give it a complete initial charge up to 24 hours if recommended for your specific model to properly condition the battery. After that, recharge when the low battery indicator appears rather than letting it fully drain. For storage, keeping the battery around 50% helps preserve long-term health. Always charge at room temperature, ideally between 60 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, since extreme heat or cold can reduce battery efficiency. Looking ahead, Waterpik is moving toward faster charging, improved USB standards, and smarter battery management to make cordless flossers even more convenient and efficient.